Mistplay does not support linking a personal bank account for earning rewards or redeeming points. If you're trying to connect a bank account inside the app, you're looking for a feature that Mistplay doesn't provide. By the end of this video, you'll know why you can't link a bank account, which payment methods Mistplay actually supports, and what to do if you're seeing a payment-related error. First, check what you're actually trying to do. Mistplay rewards players with points that can be exchanged for available rewards inside the app. The redemption process does not require you to connect a personal checking or savings account directly to your Mistplay profile. If you're following an old guide or a social media post that mentions bank account linking, ignore it unless it's from an official Mistplay source. Features can change over time, and unofficial tutorials often describe options that no longer exist or were never available. Now look at the reward you're trying to redeem. Open the rewards section and select the reward you want. Follow the instructions shown for that specific reward instead of looking for a bank account option in your account settings. Different reward types may have different redemption steps, but a direct bank account connection is not part of the standard Mistplay experience. If you're having trouble redeeming a reward, make sure you're signed into the correct Mistplay account and that your account information is up to date. Restart the app if necessary and allow it to synchronize before trying again. A temporary syncing issue can sometimes prevent account information from updating correctly. If you're receiving an error during the redemption process, take a screenshot of the message before closing it. The exact wording of the error helps Mistplay support identify whether the problem is related to your account, the reward, or a temporary service issue. When contacting support, include your Mistplay account email, the reward you were trying to redeem, and screenshots of any error messages. A complete report makes it easier for the support team to understand what happened and provide the correct solution. Avoid entering banking information into third-party websites or apps that claim to connect directly with Mistplay. If a feature isn't available inside the official app, treat outside services with caution and verify information through Mistplay's official support resources. Here's the quick recap. Mistplay doesn't require a direct bank account connection. Redeem rewards through the options available inside the app, and contact support with screenshots if a redemption error continues. Subscribe for more straightforward Mistplay fixes and app troubleshooting guides.